Tired of your tasks feeling more scattered than your desk on a Monday morning? Let's tame that chaos and master moving cards in Trello, making your workflow smoother than ever. First, the most intuitive way: dragging and dropping. Simply click on the card you want to move, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to the desired list. See how easy it is to shift that right blog post card from to-do to in progress. You can also drag cards within the same list to reorder them based on priority. This makes sure that send email to client is right at the top where it belongs, right? Now, for the keyboard shortcut enthusiasts, select a card by clicking on it, then use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move the card between lists. Another method is to open the card by clicking on it in the card's detailed view. You'll find a move button. Click that. A window will pop up, allowing you to select the specific list and even the position within that list where you want to place your card. You have full control. Finally, let's talk automation. Trello's Butler can automatically move cards based on triggers. For example, you can set a rule that automatically moves a card to the done list when all its checklists are completed. And there you have it, several ways to move cards in Trello. From simple drag and drop to powerful automation, now go forth and conquer your tasks. Don't forget to subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.